All right, you guys asked for it. Here it is. We're gonna do an install video for Ram trucks. These are available to purchase in a single unit, a 2-pack, or a 4-pack. Each single is gonna come with 2 screws and 2 washers. So here we have a 4-pack, 8 screws, 8 washers. These are compatible with any Ram that has these clevis style mounts here in the top 4 corners, not the lower ones, but the ones that are in the top of the bed. They'll bolt right in. We gotta remove those and then bolt these right on. So the first thing we're gonna do is remove the 4 clevises here. You're gonna need a 5mm Allen wrench. You can use an Allen wrench or a drill. Take these all off. All right, so we're gonna install the first one here on the back right. So go ahead and grab one of the ratchet straps, 2 screws, and 2 washers. You're also gonna need a 5mm Allen wrench. Going to install it either way, doesn't really matter. You can go that way or that way because this rotates. It doesn't matter which way you go. There is a relief cut here, so you have easier access. So you do it there, and then you can rotate it around for that one. You're going to install, kind of like pre-install, the washers. So the washers are going to go there, and then you're going to put the screw in from the top and then rotate around to the other side. All right, so grab 5mm Allen wrench. We'll start with the top one here. Line up the cutout. And you want to start each one before you tighten it down. So let's start that one. Okay. Now we're going to rotate around here. And we're going to grab this one. And we're going to go ahead and start that one. So since we already have the top one started, we can go ahead and tighten the bottom one all the way down. And then you're going to rotate around, exposing that hole for that one. Tighten that one all the way down. All right, there we go. Make sure they're both snug. Check, make sure everything rotates. There you go. That's the first one. All right, now we're going to go do the rest. All right, so that's the last one installed. You just want to make sure they're all snug down. You can check rotation there and there. And if you want to adjust the tension on either this pivot point or this pivot point, you can. So there's a Delrin washer in there, and there's 2 here and here. So if you want to adjust the rotation, how tight it is, you're going to adjust that one. You're tighten this nut and bolt up a little bit, and if you want to adjust how tight it is up and down, you're going to go here, and that will just adjust the tension between the 2.